This is the latest charger from Anker's Nano line. This is Anker's smart display charger. Anker's calling this the first smart display charger that knows your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to go through all this charger has to offer and what makes it smart. Let's get into it. My name is Patrick and this is Everyday Tech for everyday people. Today we're looking at this 45-watt charger from Anker. Now, full disclosure, Anker did reach out to me, asked me if I take a look at this product. Although they did offer this to me for free, they are reviewing this video before it goes up for accuracy, but all my opinions are my own. Now, if you've watched some of my review videos before, especially on chargers, you know I'm a big fan of GaN chargers, gallium nitride. They run more efficient and cooler than your old school silicone chargers. Actually, this charger is about 47% smaller than your traditional 30-watt charger, but yet it outputs 45 watts. That's enough power to charge up your iPhone 17 Pro from 0 to 50% in about 20 minutes. And yet it has enough power to power my iPad Pro and even my MacBook Air. But the real reason you would look at a device like this is for the screen and how it charges up your devices. Now, when I plug in your device, it has features something called instant recognition. So for example, if I plug in my iPhone 16 Pro, it instantly recognizes it and adjusts the power accordingly. Now, as of this recording, it recognizes iPhone 15s or newer or iPad Pros from 2020 or newer. Now, if you do plug in a device that can't recognize, it will still charge up your device very efficiently and very fast. So let's do a quick demo of operating this charger. Once we plug it in, and I don't have any device hooked up yet, but we have this little animation that says hi, and we can actually interact with this guy a little bit based on how many times you tap. If you tap too much, eventually his eyes go a little bit dizzy, and he actually does some random animations. I've seen a baseball one and another one. He might show up pretty soon. So I'm going to plug in. So there's that animation there. Then I'm going to go ahead and plug in my iPhone here. I'm trying to do it with one hand. As soon as I plug it in, it says iPhone 16 Pro charging iPhone 16 Pro. And up here it says trickle 6 watts because I'm already at 86%. And yes, it does show how much percentage is on my iPhone. So that means there is some communication going back and forth between my device and the charger itself. It shows the little animation guy or character, and that little badge he has says AI. Really, this is in auto mode. So based on the temperature readout and the percentage of my device, it'll charge faster or slower based on that. So if we tap the capacitor button once, it gives us our temperature readout. Right now it says breezing because we are charging slow and the temperature is lower. Then we can select our mode. This is when we put it into care mode. If you want to put it into care mode, you can double tap, puts it into care mode. Care mode is for when you are about to go to sleep and you want to charge overnight. This ensures that it'll charge it at a lower temperature and a lower wattage, so you can prolong the battery life as well. But if we want to bring it back, I'm going to double tap again, put it back to auto mode, and then we go back to our main screen here. So this is a really intuitive layout and very intuitive interface to operate this charger. One thing I appreciate is Anker's exclusive certified care mode. Now, we all worry about heat kind of degrading the health and life of our battery long term, but in care mode, this charger charges our device about 9 degrees cooler than your traditional 45-watt charger. If you're charging this overnight, you could tap the charger a few times, put it into care mode, and you could sleep easier knowing that your iPhone's not cooking. This is the main advantage of a charger, knowing what device is plugged in. For example, in my case, it knows when I plug in my iPhone 16 Pro, and it customizes the charging solution for it. Maybe this is the world's first smart display charger that knows my iPhone. For travel, the design is very clever. It has dual foldable prongs that move 90 and 180 degrees. Now, this is huge if you're trying to plug in behind a sofa or in a tight airport corner. Now, if the screen ends up upside down because of how the outlet is oriented, you just press and hold for 2 seconds, and the display rotates 180 degrees. So it's always facing you in the right direction. So who is the Anker Smart Display Charger for? If you just want the cheapest charging brick possible, you might want to look somewhere else. But if you're like me and you want full transparency on your charging status, you want to know how many watts are going into your device, how hot your charger is getting, this is a game changer. Now, having a smart charger that knows what device is plugged into it, then customizes the charging solution based on that device can really prolong the health and life of the battery of your device. This is pocket size, yet powerful, and it gives you that extra peace of mind for your expensive devices. Now, thanks again to Anker for sending this out to me. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, consider hitting that subscribe button. Until the next one, see ya.